Greetings. I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida. See the sun? See the sun? It is January and I am in zone 11, South Florida. So not 10, not 9. I'm sorry for the little, that's the little dots on my face are coming from the hat. But it's very bright otherwise. So I have a pomegranate tree right here. It's going to be pretty tall. I had it in a temporary container just to take it out of what it came in last year when I purchased it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it into this container. Now I've had this container for a while. It's holding branches for now. I'm going to actually plant my pomegranate over these branches. I'm gonna just see how it does. I think this will allow for some drainage while it gets used to its new home. I'm gonna put in some fresh potting mix in here as well. And let's get started.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman cause so.
So the first thing I'm going to do into my rope container, I'm going to put in drainage holes. So I'm not going to take this out because it's packed in here nicely. But I'm going to put some drainage holes down here on the bottom of the container. I'm going to flip it over. Now put back in whatever comes out. I'm put it on 3. So let's okay, so that part is done. Now, I'm gonna put the tree inside. So this, right here is my pomegranate tree. It is pretty tall. I'm gonna first put my mix in here. As you can see, that helps to just sink that right on in. Now I'm gonna add in my plant. Sticky. Now I'm going to backfill this in with more compost and dirt, more potting mix. So I'm gonna slide it into place. Right, it's there. Now I'm going to put this, have more of this, put around it. Of course, I need some more. Okay, so I have put my pomegranate in there. As you can see, it is sitting slightly above the dirt here because I want the water to run off. We do get a lot of rain in South Florida, so I want the dirt to be able to, the rain to be able to run off of the plant and into here, and then I will continue to fill it in with more compost as I need to, or potting mix, or fertilizer, and it will allow it to, you know, run off and around the plant. So my pomegranate tree is now in its new home right here. Hopefully it's happy. I will keep an eye on it to make sure it's doing well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
There's so much weight.